Hey guys, well, went out and checked the mail today and got a package today. Now, I sort of knew this was coming. I didn't know what it was. I knew I was getting something. Let me show you who sent this thing. You guys see that? Old Tom Chitwood done sent me a little gift in the mail. Before I open this, let me just say something. If you guys aren't subbed to Tom's channel, and I'm pretty sure most of you are, but if you're not subbed to Tom's channel, you guys need to get over there. Something's wrong. You got a bad internet connection or something. Tom's a great guy. He's got a lot of cool videos up, and plus he's hilarious. So you guys go over, for the ones of you that don't have him subbed up already, or you know, whatever, go on over there and check out Tom's channel for me if you would, and let him know I sent you his way. Alright, well, let's get to unboxing this thing, or unenveloping it. I reckon that's what it's called. But this is, like I said, this is from Tom Chitwood, and we're gonna open this thing up with the Kershaw. So didn't give me a lot of room to open it. Man, that's some industrial plastic right there. Oh, brother. Brother. You guys see that? Everybody out there knows what this is. Look at that. And I'm pretty sure this is the more robust. Never owned a Mora before. Just never really bought one. But man, that thing has got a thick spine on it, I'm here to tell you. That thing is, whew, that thing is sharp, brother, I'm here to tell you. Tom, brother, you too good to me, man. You really are. I don't know how I don't know how I'm gonna repay you for this, brother. I really don't. Man. Anyway, Tom, I appreciate it, brother. Like I said, it's the first mower I've ever had, and I'll definitely get out and I'll definitely be using that thing. We got a trip coming up to Tennessee. We're gonna be in Tennessee the 17th through the 19th. Up in Pigeon Forge, so if any of you guys are up that way, or anything, you know, if you guys want to get up with me or something, meet up, maybe get some lunch, sit around and talk, or do whatever, you know, hit me up, let me know, and we'll definitely be up that way. Like I said, the 17th through the 19th of this week, so, or this month. It's actually this week, so. But Tom, brother, I swear, thank you so much for this, man. I really appreciate it. And I don't know what to say. Guys, you guys go over, like I said, check out Tom's channel. If you don't already have him subbed or something wrong, you guys need to go check this guy out. Very good guy. Very giving. Funny as all get out. And just all around good guy, man. Alright, Tom, thanks so much, brother. Thank you guys for watching the unenveloping of the Tom Chitwood gift hour, and check back with me again for more lifestyles of the Southern HighLifer. Take care, guys.